Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm making another cake. It's a sponge cake and it's very soft. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please enjoy. Did you see that? It's too salt. Then put the 1.5 cup of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, little bit baking soda, salt to taste.
I see.
Then do like this for 4 times. Then put egg, 3 eggs. Then separate the egg. I mean yolk. You need to do very careful with the yolk. Because when we was making a cake, mommy do a mistake, so be careful. Here, it happens like this. Alright. Then let's put the yolk in a bowl, in a big bowl. Then let's mix it. Now 1 cup of sugar. Then put the sugar with the yolk to make it sweet. Then some milk, 1 cup of milk. Then put it with sugar and yolk. Let's put some butter and oil, 1 cup. Then put the oil with butter, with sugar and the yolk. Then mix it well. Then let's put 1 spoon of flour. Now put gently the flour in mix. Then mix it very well. Now, with the part white fluff pastels. It very well for 30 seconds. Now put the part white in the mixer. I don't know if this is cream, but it will be tasty. Then mix it gently, very slowly, like this, very slowly. Now put the half of coloring with the dough to make it colored. This half coloring, it's red. It looks like it's brown, but it's red. Mix it gently, very slowly. Look at that. It's so beautiful, this color. We need to take a brush and brush it with the butter in a bowl. Brush it in a bowl, the butter. Make a little bit flour and do like this. You need to roll it like a wheel everywhere. And put the red dough first and then the yellow dough. And put it like a circle. Like the red circle, it looks like the red circle looks like a circle, like a wheel. I love very much. My mama cooked this. Now shape it like a flower. Is it beautiful, huh? Who doesn't like a flower? And put in a pan the dough. When you put it, open the store, close this, and then open to put it for 40 minutes. Look at this, it's clean. It means it's done. Look at that, so tasty this cake. Thanks for watching. Look at that, it's too soft and too fluffy. And choose a cooking list idea if you want more ideas to cook. Please like and subscribe. And look at how soft and spongy it is. Bye bye. Thank you guys. I love you.